When the sun sets, the journey begins. Experience true luxury on the open road.
This is a $500,000 motorhome. It has heated floors, a king-size bed, a residential kitchen, and more technology than most luxury apartments. And no, it's not mine. Yet! But today, I'm taking you on a full luxury tour of one of the most impressive Class A diesel pushers money can buy. If you've ever wondered what $500,000 on wheels actually looks like, you're about to find out. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, this is where we explore luxury motorhomes, full-time RV living, real costs, real experiences, and the dream of taking freedom on the road without the fluff. Today is a day 15, upload number 8, and this one is pure eye candy mixed with serious value. We're touring a 500,000 Class A diesel pusher, a rig designed for people who want 5-star living while waking up in a new location every week. And even if you're not buying one tomorrow, this tour will completely change how you look at motorhomes. Quick favor before we step inside. If luxury motorhomes, RV tours, and future-focused RV content excite you, so hit subscribe and tap the like button. It tells YouTube this is worth showing to more RV dreamers like you. Let's start with the first thing you notice. Presents? A Class A diesel pusher doesn't just arrive, it announces itself. This coach stretches nearly 40 feet long, sits on a heavy-duty diesel chassis, and rides on air suspension that smooths out roads most cars would hate. Shot of paint details. Look at this paintwork! Multi-layer, high-gloss paint, not vinyl decals. This isn't just for looks. It lasts longer, resists fading, and screams premium from every angle. Up front, you'll notice the panoramic windshield, one massive piece of glass. When you're driving, this feels more like piloting a luxury tour bus than an RV. These are polished aluminum wheels wrapped in commercial-grade tires. Because when your home weighs over 30,000 pounds, strength matters as much as style. Now here's something people don't talk about enough. Basement storage. On diesel pushers, the engine is in the rear. That frees up massive storage underneath. This is full pass-through storage. Golf clubs, tools, folding e-bikes, outdoor furniture, even a chest freezer if you want. And notice, these bays are finished. Carpeted, sealed, insulated. This isn't storage. It's a garage for your lifestyle. And this is where the magic starts. Slow interior pan. High ceilings. Massive windows. Natural light everywhere. This doesn't feel like an RV. It feels like a modern luxury condo that just happens to move. Once the slides are out, look at this space. Opposing slides turn the living area into a true open concept layout. Furniture. These aren't RV couches. These are residential grade sofas, often with heated seating, power recline, and hidden storage. Imagine parking near a lake, opening every window, and watching the sunset right here. We've got a large smart TV, surround sound, and an electric fireplace, not for heat, but for ambiance. This is a space designed to slow you down. Now let's talk about the heart of this motorhome, the kitchen. Solid surface countertops, residential cabinetry, soft close drawers everywhere, appliances. This is a full residential refrigerator, runs off inverter power, not propane. Induction cooktop, convection microwave, dishwasher, yes, a dishwasher in a motorhome. This isn't camp cooking, this is real living. Island, and this island? Extra prep space, storage, and a place where people naturally gather. Over here, we have a dedicated dining area, comfortable seating, expandable table, and a view that changes every time you move. Breakfast in the mountains. Dinner in the desert. Same table, different world. Now this is where luxury motorhomes really separate themselves. Full-size shower with glass doors. Residential toilet. Solid countertops and premium fixtures. And yes, heated floors. After a long drive day, this doesn't feel like an RV bathroom. It feels like a boutique hotel. Welcome to the bedroom. King-size bed, massive wardrobe storage, washer and dryer, stacked. You could live here full-time without sacrificing comfort. And imagine waking up to this view, wherever you decide to park. Up front, the cockpit is built for serious travel. air ride seats, digital dash, multiple cameras, rear side blind spots. Driving one of these isn't stressful. It's calm, controlled, confident. This is a road trip machine. So, who actually buys a $500,000 motorhome? Full-time RVers who want zero compromise? Retirees traveling the country in comfort? Entrepreneurs who work remotely and value freedom? And people who understand that wheel luxury isn't about showing off? It's about living well every single day. Now let's be real for a second. This isn't cheap. Maintenance, insurance, fuel, it all adds up. But for the right person, this replaces a house, a car, and most travel expenses. It's not about spending money, it's about redirecting it toward experiences. And no, this one isn't mine. But pause. Yet. But every tour like this makes the dream clearer. Because freedom has a shape. And sometimes, it looks exactly like this. If you enjoyed this luxury motorhome tour, do 3 things for me. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Would you live in something like this full-time? Or is this just a dream rig? In Lono, Yaido, Lao. More luxury tours, real RV costs, and honest full-time RV content are coming. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and I'll see you on the road.